Hey everyone, Icon here, and today is the 11th of March, and this is my dive report for today. I went diving with Abyss Scuba Diving, and it was just fantastic. The weather was great, the water was warm, and visibility was just fantastic. Our first dive site is Magic Point, and we saw heaps of shark. It was just amazing to see them in their natural habitat. For a second dive, we went to Malabar Shipwreck off the coast of Malabar Beach. The visibility was great. It's just mind-blowing, something that I have not experienced diving here in Sydney for a long time. We went to see parts of the ship that's still there, also heaps of fish. As you can see, I'm already home. I have my camera here and I have my gear here, and I'm going to unpack and clean all of this. While I'm doing that, you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. My name is Icon, and this is a Weekend Warrior. See ya!